Hi, my name is Mike, and on this channel I'm showing you how much you can achieve by investing $100 a week. Real money, real numbers, my real journey. Let's go! It's the end of October and it's one of the most beautiful times of season, so I went outside and this episode is going to be filmed outside.
Let's go!
It's been 4 weeks since my last update, so another $400 accumulated in my account and I'm ready to invest further. But before... oh, the sun went out. But before we go there, I'll tell you about one more important thing that happened during these 4 weeks. I received my first dividend. And of course, since it's my first one and I just started investing, it's just a few cents. But still, it will let you understand what is the ex-dividend date. By the way, if some terms that I'm using are unfamiliar to you, check out my previous videos. I explain some basics there, so go ahead. And while you are there, you know, there's a like button, subscribe, notifications, you know what to do. Okay, let's look into the account. We go to reports, account activity, and there is all the activity that happened to this account. We can turn these filters on and off, so I'll turn off trades and deposits, and here it is, a dividend of 21 cents. That's exactly the amount of dividend declared for this ETF, VDY, 21 cents per share. But why only 21 cents? Remember, last time I bought additional 5 shares of VDY. That was on October 2nd. The dividend payment was on October 7th. So why didn't they pay me for 6 shares but only for 1? I'll explain it to you. Here's the time. Here is October the 2nd when I purchased 5 shares. And on October 7th, I received a dividend, but only for 1 share. Why is that? Because if we check the ex-dividend date for VDY, you'll see it's September 27th, if I'm not mistaken. So what is this ex-dividend date? This is the date where they decide how much of the dividend they have to pay to the shareholders. If I sold my share on October 2nd instead of buying these 5, I would still get that dividend. The next ex-dividend date is October 31st. I'm going to be buying my additional shares before that. So not only these 5 will be accounted when the payment date is coming, but also the ones I'm going to purchase today. Now let's go and purchase those additional shares.
I'll prepare this spreadsheet first. So today is October 29th. $400 were contributed and 21 cents was the dividend. In total, it's $434.85, including whatever left from the previous time. I'll update the current prices of the ETFs. XHS is $83.20 at the moment. ZNQ at $92.38 and VDY $49.10. This is how much my current share is worth, and this is the split between 3 ETFs. Now, if I'm gonna buy 2 shares of HXS and 2 shares of ZNQ, then I only have money for 1 VDY. And the split is gonna be not really good. As you can see, VDY is below 30%. So what if I buy only 1 share of ZNQ? This will allow me to buy 3 shares of VDY, and the split is gonna be much better, much closer to the one I'm aiming at. Now I'm gonna go and buy 2 shares of HXS, 1 share of ZNQ, and 3 shares of VDY. I'll just fast forward because it's pretty straightforward. Now I'll make sure that the prices I put in the spreadsheet match the actual purchasing price. And this is the final data. This is how my ETFs are split after buying.
We are back into the woods by the magic of editing, so I just wanted to share more of this beauty. I'm gonna film some really beautiful shots on my way back and show you. Also, it's a good reminder that investing doesn't need to take much time in order to be successful. You can enjoy your time and grow your wealth at the same time.
And just when I wanted to film some of the autumn beauty for you guys, because the sun was trying to shine through the clouds, it went the other way around. It started raining. So I'm waiting here under this tree for it to probably stop, hopefully stop. And it's out after all.
I was just on my way back when I noticed this beautiful and menacing cloud. It looks like I got lucky, and that little rain I had for a few minutes is nothing compared to what experienced people who happen to be on its way. The other side of the sky showed truly astonishing colors, and for this I turned off all color processing, so these colors are fully natural.